iQOO is currently gearing up to launch its flagship iQOO 13 in China. Rumors of the upcoming sub-flagship iQOO Neo 10 series is expected to debut in China in December. The brand has now officially teased the Neo 10 series. There could be two models in the lineup, the iQOO Neo 10 and the iQOO Neo 10 Pro. Now, the phones have bagged the China 3C certification. iQOO Neo 10 will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. iQOO Neo 10 Pro will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipsets. Both devices run Android 15 with Origin OS 5 on top. Both devices are anticipated to feature a stunning 1.5K gaming flat display, promising an immersive visual experience with vibrant colors. Both models will have batteries over 6,000 mAh. The tipster claims the phones would come with 120W fast charging support similar to the predecessors. iQOO Neo 10 lineup may debut in December this year. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.